Here it is, a lovely Ford Cortina. You might notice it's got 4 doors. No, it's not a 1600E. It's a rarer car than a 1600E. No, it's not a Lotus Cortina. It's a 1300 Deluxe. So basically the same engine as a 1600, but a 1300. And what a rare car. A lot rarer than the other models I've just mentioned there. This car is in superb condition. And the only reason I would have ended up with this car, how I've ended up with it, is because of a slight accident. The previous owner, who's a friend of mine and I've known him for a long time, lent the car to somebody, and basically the bonnet flew up and damaged the bonnet. Bonnet was totally goosed, couldn't do anything with the bonnet. We had to source a bonnet, and believe me, finding a second-hand Mark II Cortina bonnet is a hard task, I'll tell you. So anyway, we got it, we fitted it, we've painted it, and we've done a few other bits and bobs to it, and there we have it. So I'll show you a little walk around. Start at the front. So if you look at the front of the car, chrome works pretty good, bumpers in good condition, headlights are pretty good, trim's all right. Obviously we've painted the bonnet, it's metallic. If there's one thing on this car that is not, I shouldn't really say this when I'm selling cars, but I like to be so honest, that is not brilliant, it's possibly the paintwork. It's good, don't get me wrong, it's good, but I can find flaws with it. But I can find flaws in anything that's 50 or 60-year-old. So, you know, I just like to be transparent. So we'll walk around the car now. So wheels and tyres are good. We've had the wheels off. Obviously, it's one of the first things we do. We pull the wheels off and check the brakes. This one had good brakes all around, apart from a leaky wheel cylinder on the back side over there, which we replaced. So that was done. Like I say, doors, if you look down here, really good. The original doors haven't been clattered on with. Sills are good. The car is absolutely super solid. I'm going to stick my neck out here. It's one of the most solid little Cortinas that's out there for reasonable money. It's unbelievable underneath. And I don't mind putting it on a ramp and showing you it underneath. That's not a problem. We'll have a look in the back here. Back door, the same. Again, super solid, where it should be, all the way down here. Braces are good. Oh, this is solid. Sills are good. Get the keys. Have a look in the boot. Again, chrome work on the back. Really good. Bumper's nice and shiny there. Need a key to open the boot. 13 Deluxe there. There you go. That's in the boot. Again, nice and solid. Nothing to worry about down there. Nice and original. Moving around this side. Again, wheels and tyres good. Sills good. Doors good. Same on this one. I mean, this is a 1968 car, so it's what? I don't know, 57-year-old, something like that. It's in pretty good condition. I mean, it was never, ever, when it was marketed, it was never marketed to last 58 years, really. Right, let's have a look at the engine bay. Get this up. There you go. There's the engine bay. Nice and tidy under there. Little 1300 cross flow. We fitted a new battery isolator. It's had a new coil fitted, and she's running nice and sweet now. Lovely tidy engine bay there. Again, It's not a concourse car, but it's not £30,000 or £40,000. That's what people have got to get in their heads. It's not £40,000 car. Quick look in the interior while we're on here. So seats are nice, there's no rips or tears, and they look original. The dashboard's good. Doesn't look like anybody's drilled any holes in it or messed on with it. Headlining looks original as well. Again, no rips or tears. Not badly stained. The door cards are good. It's just a really, really nice, honest car, to be fair. So basically, to sum it up, Cortina 1300, nice car. Take it to a show. You don't have to spend all your weekends underneath welding it, because it's as solid as a rock underneath. It's mechanically good. Bodywork, as you can see, is good. Interior is good. Everything's as I've described it. Somebody looking to get into the classic car world, or somebody who's already got a Cortina and they want another variant or whatever, this possibly could be your car. So there you have it. Anyway, if you like this video or any of the videos we do, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and it makes me want to go out there and make some more interesting videos. Bye bye now.